While electric vehicles are touted as the future of transport, there are some models that are best left untouched. Consumer Reports has trashed these automobiles in harsh reviews, which have caused consumers to shun them. While some companies hyped and downgraded, others were touted as revolutionary but fell flat in actual use. In reality, these vehicles have been flops since they have had terrible reliability, a poor range, and outrageous prices that are not warranted. But if you thought all EVs were built to impress, right? Well, think again, because up next is a model that proves even the biggest names can get it horribly wrong. Toyota BZ4X. The Toyota BZ4X is a good case in point of pricing strategy. It is over $10,000 more expensive in Australia than the Tesla Model Y, which has superior performance, particularly in the driving range. There are some design elements that are worth mentioning. The interior, with all the plastic pieces, is not minimalist in appearance. Additionally, the charging hardware provides fewer fast charges than the competition. Rather than being a leader in innovation, the BZ4X appears to be a regulatory compromise vehicle. Manufacturing issues have increased in the recent past. One of the primary safety concerns was wheels coming off, and they were totally recalled. Toyota later repurchased all vehicles sold in America within the first half of the year, since this was a recurring problem. And just when you think it couldn't get more disappointing, Tesla steps into the spotlight with a stainless steel spectacle that promised the future but delivered frustration: the Tesla Cybertruck. In 2023, Tesla revealed its most ambitious vehicle with lukewarm social media reactions. 1 million orders had been submitted since 2019 for a $39,000 pickup truck. Customers received a 7,000-pound stainless steel truck for over $100,000 instead. Some of the biggest promises, like driving distance and window durability, were not met. Consumer Reports won't recommend the vehicle early in 2024 due to serious faults: poor visibility, doors that don't work properly, and a perplexing interface. Despite a massive 123 kilowatt battery, real-world ranges were underwhelming, especially in cold weather and while towing. Testers encountered poor handling, unstable rear dynamics, big blind spots, and a tighter turning radius than a Ford Super Duty. Futuristic design was initially exhilarating, but production trucks were plagued with defects like uneven panels, leaks, and unreachable storage bins in the early going. Without service depots or replacement parts, styling proved to be impractical. By 2025, many Cybertruck reservationists have already started to drop orders, causing a precipitous decline in public interest. 2023 Nissan Ariya. 2 years late, the 2023 Nissan Ariya finally came. It was delayed in 2021 production by supply chain issues and semiconductor shortages. Pre-order customers in the US waited a year for their cars. Then in March 2023, deliveries were halted after a steering wheel came loose while driving. The plant shipped vehicles lacking or with incorrectly fitted bolts, leading to a countrywide recall that damaged customer confidence. The Ariya's range is documented at 304 miles, but real-world drivers lost up to 20% or more, particularly in cold weather. Its charging system underperformed at 130 kilowatts before falling off sharply and generating more downtime than competitors. Despite Nissan's familiarity with electric vehicles from the Leaf, the Ariya underperformed in the US, with fewer than 5,000 units sold in 2023. In a market of better electric vehicles, the Ariya came late with fewer features, leading to a lack of interest among consumers. VinFast VF8. Vietnam's VinFast VF8 electric vehicle came with brawn in its elegant, minimalist styling and luxury features. The car's limitations became evident by the time it arrived in America. The EPA test identified a vast promise-to-performance chasm, and the certified range fell more than 110 miles short of what the automaker promised. Motor Trend and Consumer Reports published significant issues like fatal breakdowns and digital cluster failure, and as a result, nearly 1,000 vehicles were recalled. The car also faced issues like uncontrollable reverse motion due to the malfunction of the parking brake and system reset during shutdown. Excessive warnings for technical violations slowed trips. Software updates worsened the situation instead of improving it. Consumer trust was lost quickly due to reliability issues, despite financing starting at $83 a month. An affordable Tesla alternative was an early market flop. Commercials may hide flaws, but our review highlights key factors to keep in mind when buying. And if you thought flashy ads could make up for engineering flaws, VinFast proved otherwise, only to be followed by another letdown that shows even partnerships can't guarantee a smooth ride. Subaru Solterra. The Subaru Solterra, launched in late 2021 as its first electric crossover, was delayed from a mid-2022 US launch by a safety issue. Hub bolts loosen and can detach from the wheels, a defect shared with the Toyota BZ4X. A do not drive recall suspended deliveries, and initial repairs were not enough, so a second recall occurred in early 2023. Momentum was lost before deliveries resumed. Only about 9,000 units were sold in the US that year. The range is now rated at 228 miles by the EPA, but winter drivers won't be able to hit 200 miles without the heat pump. 100 kilowatt DC peak hats, lengthy driving trips grow wearisome, and the 6.6 kilowatt onboard charger suckers home charge. Toyota platformed, Solterra throws Subaru's typical drive personality in the trash, and consumers are left to accept sheepish handling, outdated tech, and remorse in tow. The next electric vehicle, it's what you get when you release late, remember early, and don't exactly arrive. Tesla Model S. Tesla's Model X, for all its good specifications, has serious problems. It has fast acceleration and distinctive falcon wing doors, but Consumer Reports rated it a dismal 9 out of 100 for reliability, noting such things as defective suspensions and broken climate controls. For 2023, 16 recalls, including one for airbag deployment in small occupants, were issued. The signature doors still have problems detecting obstacles. Loyal owners are frustrated with intrusive software updates. Real-world efficiency falls behind the competition, and resale values have dropped. Through early 2025, the Model X trails the cheaper Model Y in sales, causing luxury EV buyers to shun pre-owned X models due to the fear of maintenance. Kia EV6. The 2022 Kia EV6 began impressing with its futuristic styling and 800-volt design. While the $50,000 starting price was hopeful, the vehicle's reliability issues made it take a dive. By 2024, Consumer Reports had ranked it on the lowest level of EV reliability, stating that this was due to persistent drivetrain issues and charging inconsistency. In cold temperatures, the battery heater frequently malfunctions, preventing fast charging and even port access. Although Kia marketed a 10 to 80% charging time of just 18 minutes, real-world tests found power throttling appearing after the first charging cutoff, cutting speeds down to below 50 kilowatts. Other limitations are the roof that slopes in at an awkward position, not so great rear view, and an overly tastefully styled infotainment system at the expense of functionality. EV6 resale values began to decline by early 2025 when sales fell 17% year over year. This case is a tale of caution as to how technical specifications can never make up for long-term reliability problems. Rivian R1T and R1S. Rivian's lofty R1T and R1S electric trucks launched with the luxury price tags of $90,000 and came with premium four-wheel drive technology and advanced high-tech features. Their launches were marred, however, when Rivian recalled over 13,000 vehicles in October 2022 because of flawed steering parts. The brand image was also tarnished when Consumer Reports categorized Rivian as one of the least reliable manufacturers, with repeated software bugs, electrical problems, and faulty air suspension systems that especially failed in sub-freezing temperatures. Canadian and Midwestern owners were plagued by chronic system failure in winter storms, and real towing capability was far from the touted 400-mile range. Existing owners face lengthy repair cycles, availability of parts, and depreciating vehicle values, creating the illusion that such luxury models are so-called works in progress rather than completed products. And just when you think you're paying for innovation, Rivian and Ford remind us, sometimes you're just shelling out big bucks for unfinished business on wheels. Ford F-150 Lightning. The Ford F-150 Lightning did not live up to its promise of transforming America's favorite truck, though hopes were high. And at $55,000 to $96,000, it fell short on the basics. Consumer Reports' scathing 30 out of 100 review cited ongoing mechanical problems, defective electronics, and battery complaints. Adverse weather further contributed to the performance deduction, with towing capacity taking a drastic drop to a low of 100 miles. Following a battery fire that suspended production early in 2023, resale values dipped by $20,000 under MSRP. Other drawbacks were a clunky infotainment system, abrupt regenerative braking, and software recalls for erroneous battery readings and tire pressure configurations. Ford's CEO later conceded the truck's flaws. By 2025, the Lightning's flaws were inescapable, and if prestige were enough to carry performance, Porsche wouldn't be on this list. But next up is a luxury EV that proves even elite badges can mask major blunders. Porsche Taycan. Porsche's high-end electric Taycan launched in 2020, making bold promises of delivering true Porsche performance. However, in real life, the experience was horrifying otherwise. Consumer Reports gave it a dismal 18 out of 100 reliability score, with widespread technical problems ranging from frozen screens to broken interfaces that impacted key systems such as climate control and drive modes. Despite a claimed EPA rating of 227 miles, test drives yielded considerably shorter ranges in the real world, under 150 miles when driven in cold temperatures. Its retention value has been disastrous. Cars that started at $100,000 fetch less than $60,000 2 years after purchase. Though charging speed is excellent, coupled with high depreciation, frequent service visits, and expensive out-of-warranty repairs, its value proposition is surpassed. As of 2025, with more affordable models on the market, the Taycan is a pricey reminder that brand value can't compensate for functional shortcomings. We have come to the end of the video. Make sure to leave a comment on these EVs and tell us your EV experience.